Overview of trading COS USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, around 1 month between take profits. Entry point, 0.011265 to 0.012717. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.017179. Target 2, 0.021393. Target 3, 0.025465. Target 4, 0.027944. Target 5, 0.030494. Stop loss, 0.006808. Important note, after reaching any take profit level, remember to move your stop loss to your entry point or previous take profit level. Entry strategy, aim to enter after a pullback in price. Risk management. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment capital to spot trading. This allows for participation while effectively managing risk. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.